Okay, so this is a video just showing you how to get from the Cala Gran in Blackpool, which is not far from Fleetwood. So here it is. So you can get the bus there, which is a 14 or a number 2, and there's another bus service you can get which goes into Blackpool. And then if we turn round, you've got the bus stop there that goes to Fleetwood, which again is the 14, and the number 2 actually does start from Cala Gran. So you might not see it on your app if you're using the Blackpool app, but I'm going to show you a walk to how to get to the beach, and it is really quick, so don't worry about not getting the bus if you want to walk, if it's a nice summer's day. If you want to go straight to the Affinity, which is straight up at the top, and you can go, if you follow all the way up to the top, turn right at the road, and it'll go straight up to Fleetwood Affinity, which has got a lot of designer shops, and you can also walk into Fleetwood as well. So I'm going to show you how to get to the beach. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to look on your maps, you're going to go down Rossall Lane, South Shore, and I think it's called West Drive. So that is how to get there. So sit back and relax. There's also lots of nice scenery as well. So as you come out of Haven Cala Gran entrance, turn right, cross over, and we're going to take this first left down Rossall Lane. And I think there's also a cafe and a museum just in front. So if you want to go and see some animals, I think there are a few animals in the field. So not far, up to the signpost here. 40 miles per hour road this, so do be careful. There's a car park here on the left also if you're visiting this place. It's called, I forget the name. There's a museum there. It's called Farmer Pars, and that's where you can get a really nice, they do food breakfasts as well. I'm hoping to go in there one day and try their breakfast. So here it is, guys, just turn left. I'm going to try to stay on the left hand side of the road, but there's not really much of a pathway until a bit further down. There's a car coming, so let's just quickly cross over this road. So it's a really nice walk when it's nice weather. I'm here in May 2025, so I'll try to stick to the path. So we follow it all the way down. There's actually a tram stop as well, which we're going to see. So we're really close to the tram stop. And a little bit of information. If you download the app, Blackpool Transport app, there's lots of different tickets you can buy. At the minute it's £3 for a single, £6.60 I think for a day pass. I think that's just for Blackpool buses and the trams. And then there's also a 3-day pass, and then there's also a 7-day pass. I chose the 7-day pass, which I will be using tomorrow, and I will maybe do a video to show you how easy it is to use. But this is what I mean, there's not really much of a path here. If there's a bit of tinniness on this video, I do apologise. You can just turn on the captions and turn the volume down. So the tram stop think is on the next road. So when you get to the end of here, this is quite a busy road, so there's not really a good crossing here either. You can cross over, but just be careful, because again it's another fast road, and you just have to just head down straight to where it says South Shore. This is the quickest way I've found to the beach. I'll just give you a quick glimpse in the fields to the left. Also, a lot of times people visit Blackpool or this area, Fleetwood, Cleveland, and never actually know you can stay in a haven caravan for less than the cost, sometimes for the whole week. So that's some of the fields there. That's where the bus will go down, and this is a busy road, so we're going to cross. So let's keep going. So yeah, one cost of a Blackpool hotel could maybe cost you more, or the same, just one night for the same price, 4 nights in a caravan Monday to Friday. So if you're happy to just do a little bit of a walk, or catch a bus into Blackpool, it's definitely cheaper. And that's just the one price for up to 6 people. So here we go, just turn left here, so straight on but left, and that is the road there, straight across what we're going to walk down. So Cleveland's to the left, Blackpool to the left, and Fleetwood to the right. Maybe one day they will have a zebra crossing here, or a actual crossing with lights. So we're good to go over the road. Let's wait for this caravan to go past. And the cycle lanes too as well, if you're a cyclist. Absolutely stunning view. Got horses. There were some cows over there yesterday. And again, this is a 40-mile-per-hour road, so again, just be careful. But this is Russell Lane. Cross over and walk down this path. So you might think this is quite a long path, but it really isn't, because we're going to cut down here, called South Shore. And when we get to the beach, I will give you the exact time it took to get there. I'm just going to show you these horses just on the left. What a beautiful sight. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos, and let me know when you're staying at the Cala Gran, if you've ever stayed before. And also, a lot of people ask me, they did on another haven